Hey, I'm Noah Tallerman, Fleet's head of product design, and I'm excited to walk you through Fleet's roadmap for the next 3 months, what Fleet will be working on summer 2025. Fleet is going to ship account-based user enrollment. This is Apple's new way of enrolling personally owned devices. It will allow us as IT admins to enable our end users to log in with their managed Apple accounts and enroll to Fleet as the MDM solution. Fleet is also going to make great strides in BYOD Android for our employees that use Android as their personal device, but also want to use it for Slack, Gmail, or other company resources. Fleet is going to add the ability to enforce OS settings like, for example, pin length or anything that the Android Management API supports, as well as managing software and software configuration within what Android calls work profiles. Fleet's also going to build certificate deployment to connect our end users to the corporate network on both mobile devices, personal mobile devices, and company-owned Windows and Linux computers. Fleet's also going to build on top of the momentum we've been creating for Fleet-maintained apps. We're going to add more Windows apps, Microsoft Office, as well as Chrome, Slack, and more. Fleet's also adding the ability to scope or decide who gets what app installed based on department. And we're grabbing that information from your identity provider like Okta, Entra, Authentic, and any other IDP. We're also going to build the first time setup experience for Windows and Linux, showing our end users what's getting installed, the critical security software like CrowdStrike or other EDR tools, other compliance tools. When the end user opens their computer for the first time, they'll see what's getting installed. There will be notifications on the required software and configuration. We're also going to add more IDP variables such as department, full name, and others, and also add the ability to provide custom variables and scripts and configuration profiles. In addition to that, we're going to add the ability to deploy custom in-house applications to iPhones. So for example, if your organization is offering an iPhone app on the App Store and you want a dog food or have your company test a pre-release, we're going to allow you to add that app to Fleet and deploy that pre-released version to all your end users. And then Fleet's also going to work on improvements to scripts. We want to be able to run scripts at a scheduled time, for example, when everybody's offline, or on a recurring schedule. In the future, over the next 180 days, Fleet is working on vulnerability management features. For example, building on top of our existing vulnerability management inventory, we're going to build a burn down chart and see how that will look. And then we're also going to research how we can find missing assets, what's sometimes referred to as scanning. We're going to see if we can find missing assets on the network, such as routers, other servers, etc., and detect vulnerabilities on those. Please reach out if you have any questions. You can find us where we hang out here on the support page.